Here we go. Round 2. This dude here is about to get put on there. Listen to this paper shredder right here, man, with this on. There's the gate that I put up. I can hear that paper shredder over top of this grinder right here, holding this 4-inch grinder in my hand, right? That's how loud this son of a bitch is. This is the kind of shit we have to listen to, man. I've listened to it for years, man. I went to jail over it for 2 days and a $200 fine, man. That's how just this country is. Bunch of pieces of shit. The judge, the cops, all of them. All a bunch of Orwellian lowlife. They lost the most important thing they ever had with me, and that was respect. And when you ain't got respect, you ain't got nothing.